Exercise 5.1. Expand 2x square minus 3 by x the whole cube. Here it's in the form of x minus a whole power n. That is x minus a the whole power n. We have the binomial formula for x plus a the whole power n. That is x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into a square plus etc. a power n. If it is a plus a, we have that binomial formula. But here we have x minus a, isn't it? So instead of a, in the place of a, we have to substitute minus a now. So in all the places we have to substitute minus a. Okay, so in the first problem here x is 2x square and a is minus 3 by x and n is 3. So we have to substitute in this formula. So we have x power n, that is 2x square whole cube, plus instead of n we have to substitute 3. 3c1. Instead of x we have to substitute 2x square power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, and then into minus a. So minus a is 3 by x power 1, and then 3c2 2x square whole power 1 into minus 3 by x the whole square plus minus 3 by x the whole cube. We want to know one more thing here. Here till the power 3 it's given. So we have to keep till the power 3 here. So here the power of x will be decrease and power of a will be increase. Power of x is decreasing order. The power of a is in ascending order, that is minus a square etc. minus a power n. Okay, let me simplify the problem now. Here we have to cube this one, so that we got 8x power 6 plus 3c1 is 3, and here we want to square this, so 4x power 4 and into the same minus 3 by x plus 3c2 is 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. Here 2x square whole power 1 is nothing but 2x square. Here we want to square the thing, so minus will become plus, 3 square is 9 and x square is x square here. So and here minus 3 by x the whole cube is nothing but minus 27 by x cube here. And then we want to cancel and multiply the terms, so that we have 8x power 6 minus 36x cube plus 54 minus 27 x cube. Here just we want to substitute in the place of x, a and n. We have the formula, and before this exercise the 5.1 for binomial theorem, for x plus a the whole power n and x minus a the whole power n. Okay. Second problem, 2x square minus 3 into root of 1 minus x square whole power 4 plus 2x square plus 3 into root of 1 minus x square whole power 4. Okay, here we have two terms that we want to expand for both. Okay, first we want to expand for the first one. Here I can say this 2x square is x now, and 3 into 1 root of 1 minus x square is a, n is 4. Okay, so we want to substitute in the formula. Here x power n, here in between we have minus symbol, so we have to put alternative symbols here. So minus 4c1 into x cube, that is 2x square whole cube, into a, that is 3 into root of 1 minus x square plus 4c2 x square, that is 2x square power 2 into 3 into root of 1 minus x square the whole square minus 4c3 into 2x square whole power 1 into 3 into root of 1 minus x square whole cube plus 3 into root of 1 minus x square whole power 4. So, if you want to know one thing there, the order of x is in decreasing order, order of a is in ascending order. Okay, and then plus here the next one more term is there. Here first I can simplify this thing, so that we have 2x square whole power 4 plus 4c1 into 2x square whole cube. I just write everything there, and then we want to cancel what are the things we have to cancel there. Here we have for minus and here we have for plus. Okay, but both the terms are same only. Instead of this minus and plus, for minus the alternative symbols will be there, for plus all the terms will be plus only here. Okay, and then we can cancel that 4 terms there. The remaining terms what we have is 2 times 2x square power 4 and 2 times 4c2 2x square whole square into 3 into root of 1 minus x square the whole square plus 3 into root of 1 minus x square the whole power 4. And then we want to simplify in the bracket there. So, power 4 is there. So, we can cancel, we can multiply 2 by 4 times. So, 16 x power 8 and 4c2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. Here squaring this term we got 4x power 4, and if we are squaring this 9 1 minus x square plus here 4 times we have to multiply this 3, that is 81. That 4 times is the whole nothing but 1 minus x square the whole square. And then if you cancel everything, we will get the answer what we have in this bracket. Second problem, compute 102 whole power 4. This 102 can be split into the term 100 plus 2. So, 100 plus 2 the whole power 4. So, here x is 100 and a is 2 and n is 4. Okay. So, instead of x we want to substitute 100. So, 100 power 4 plus n is 4, 4c1. Here x cube into a power 2 power 1, 4c2 100 square 2 square plus 4c3 100 power 1 2 cube plus 2 power 4. Then we want to simplify the terms there. Whole power 4, we have to put 4 times the pair of zeros there, and then here whole power 3 is there. So, 3 times we have to write the pair of zeros, and then 4c1 is 4 here, then 4c2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 100 square is 2 times the pair of zeros into 4 plus 4c3 is nothing but 4 only into 100. 2 cube is 8 plus 2 power 4 is 16 here. So, if I simplify this, we have to get the answer like this. The second division we have 99 power 4. That 99 can be written in the form of 100 minus 1 here. Okay. So, that 100 minus 1, in this x is 100 and a is 1 and n is 4. We have to use the same formula, binomial theorem formula, but alternative symbols we have there, plus and minus. So, we have 100 power 4 minus 4c1 100 cube into 1 plus 4c2 into 100 square, then minus 4c3 100 power 1 into 1 cube plus 1 power 4. Okay, and then I want to simplify this. 100 power 4 is 4 times the pair of zeros minus 4c1 is 4. This 100 cube is 3 times the pair of zeros plus 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 100 square is 2 times the pair of zeros, and then 4C3 is nothing but 4, and 100 power 1 is 100 plus 1 power 4 is 1. So if I simplify everything, we will get like this. The answer is this one. Third division, 9 power 7. That 9 power 7 can be written as 10 minus 1. Okay, so that 9 power 4 can be written as 10 minus 1. So here x is 10, this is x, and a is 1 and n is 7. So x power n here, that is 10 power 7 minus 7c2 10 power 6 into 1 plus 7c2 10 power 5 into 1 square minus 7c3 10 power 4 into 1 cube plus 7c4 10 power 3 into 1 power 4 minus 7c5 into 10 power 2 into 1 cube plus 7c6 10 power 1 into 1 power 6 minus 1 power 7. You just notice there, observe here that 10 power must be till 1 0 here. 10 power 7, 10 power 6, 10 power 5, 10 power 4, 10 power 3, here 2, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, and here it is 10 power 0. Okay. Likewise, that is 7c1, 7c2, 7c3, 7c4, 7c5, 7c6. The next term is 7c7 only. 7c7 is 1 only here. So that only we got like this. Okay. So we can easily identify like this. And then we want to simplify everything there. So if you simplify this thing, we'll get like this. If you cancel that things, you can cancel everything, so that we have that problem. The answer is 4782969 here.